What's going on there, Pyros? Chris Molina here, and today's July 2nd. We're out here in Ripon, Wisconsin at Discount Fireworks. But before we go in there, just want to say thank you so much. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. It took a long time, but hey, we've been having a great time doing it. Yeah, man, I just appreciate you guys so much for all the comments and stuff. Met some cool people on there, and yeah, we're just gonna keep posting stuff. Got a lot of things coming up. I've been so busy I haven't even had a time to put a stash video, but that's gonna come up. I'm gonna do a 1,000 subscriber video. I don't know what I'm gonna do for that, but yeah, man, we're gonna definitely do something. But appreciate you guys. Thanks for everybody for all that, all the subscribers. But we're here today because we want to check out what they have today at Discount Fireworks in Ripon today. They're fully stocked, guys. They definitely have a lot of product. So if you guys are wondering to come out, they still have a lot of stuff in stock. So they have a lot of shelves. We're gonna go through all that right now. So let's go ahead and check out what they got. They have a tent outside filled with fireworks. So let's just take a little look-sees. All right, smoke bombs. They carry a lot of no-name fireworks now, which is a great brand. So I'm really excited to see that. Oh, this is an awesome cake, guys. $24. Pick it up if you guys come. Awesome cake. I have a demo on my channel. You guys want to check that out? But I got some Pyro King too. All right. Some NOAB 2-inchers. I'm not going to go over all the prices, guys, because I am limited on time, but I'm going to try my best to at least say some of them. So these are 68, all these three. Fault line, that looks like a very nice cake. I saw a video on this. Very nice. I think I'm going to pick it up. All right. Yeah, guys, they are stocked. Look at all that. Yeah, a lot of these cakes I haven't seen any videos on, so probably have to pick up a few. Mike Vivid Pyrotechnics, he's posted some of those demos. Check out his channel if you guys want to see some of the cakes from No Name. This one looks really good. I'm gonna definitely pick this one up. Saw the video, looks really nice. Need to get one of those. What's this? 47. It's pretty big. 28 shots. They got some of this brand too. Sun's Fireworks. All right, here we go. Check these out. Giant neon 5-inch canister shells. I think these are Firestar. They are $95. I haven't seen these before. They have like a, oh, check out that wrap. That is a cool wrap. It's like camo, but with colors, bright colors. He's got these two Pyro Chaos 6-inch canister shells. These are $115. Got these right here. I think they're, oh yeah, Illuminati 5-inch neons. These are 100. 5-inchers. Got the G-Force, $90. Window. Got the new Black Mambas. These are $90 by Fox Fireworks. Got the 5-inch Mega Shells. These are 88. 89 for the Neon Gigas. What we got here? USA Jackpot, $75. These are 7 inches, 12 pack. Wow, 7 inches, nice and large. Check it out. We got some more. We got Supreme Fireworks now. It's 52. Got this one over here. Got some sparklers. These are awesome. Smoke helicopters. Oh, these are different. I haven't seen these before. Got some no-name Roman candles. Haven't had any of their candles. I might have to pick them up. Just got some regular rockets. Some more of those smoke helicopters. 16 shots, 500 gram, $21. Oh, I love these things right here. These are awesome. Look at all that. All those things it shoots. Sick. Alright, let's go inside and see what they got. Oh, you know what? They have this right here. This is awesome. Check out their Facebook page. You'll see them demo this thing. You just hold it in a stick and it spins around. Really cool. $15. Got the dinosaurs for $6. Alright. Let's go check out what they got inside. Can't forget, guys, free beer. Alright, let's check it out. You got Double Dragons for $25, Echo in the Year $25, Absolute Power is $11, Neon Brawn $20. These are very, very great ball shells. One of my favorites. Festival balls. Got some 1-1s down there. We did a video on this one. This one was cool. $40. Collateral Damage. Okay. Alright, got Peacock. Uncle Sam, 93. Raccoon, 36. $15. 92. 92. 93. 96. Is this new? American Anthem. I haven't seen that one. Maybe it might be new. Alright, what else they got? Got a bunch of no name. Awesome. Selfie. Super Stun 36. That's a beautiful cake. Zombie. I might have to pick this one up. This one looks pretty interesting. Guerrilla Warfare, that one looks good. 25. This is 58. That is Firestar. That's a nice logo. 12 shots. Got the hydrogen and the neutron bomb. 43 apiece. 43 also for the atom bomb. That's a cool artwork. I like that one. Got these little cakes that a lot of these cakes My Favorite Pyrotechnics demos, so you guys could check out his channel. He has a lot of these demos. They're very nice 200 gram cakes too. Some more of these. Some Roman candles. Alright. Inferno Punch, 25. Got these really big candles right here. Got some more no-name candles. Oh, all these are the ones that were outside. Tom Maverick, that's a great cake. I demoed that one. That's a nice one. Your Saturn missiles. Some window. Got some more up here. Dr. Quack. 37, 36, 27. This one's 40 right here. 28. I see you. That's pretty cool. Those were outside. Lace Impulse 30. Yee Yee's 44. 27. This was 46. Kaboom. Down the rabbit hole. That one looks interesting. This is 21. Look, guys. That's 46. Fake news alert. 25. 28. 47. This one's 21. Ooh, we got the big roll of firecrackers. How much is it? 16,000 roll. Who makes it? Supreme? Okay. 93. That's heavy. There we go. We got some more shells, guys. Neon Giga shells. These are 89. Black Mambas are 90. G-Force again is 90. These are 95. Giant Neon. Pyro Chaos by Sun Fireworks is 115. Still have some of these, $93. Fight for Independence by Raccoon. Neon Beefs. Excellent shells, $85. That's a good price for this year, honestly. And they're stacked. They have a lot of them still. 5-inch Neon Giga shells, 88. So as you guys can see, they're definitely stocked. And I believe they have more in their trailer. 86 bucks at Brand New World. Blonde Choke, 42. So yeah, guys, they have plenty of product. So if you guys are wondering to come, if you guys want to come, you still have time. There's still a lot of product. You guys should definitely check them out. 29 Hawaiian Dream. Okay. Lover's Legend, Buck Fever, 18 by Pyro King. Evil Clowns, 30. 48. 26. Hot Pickles, 45. There's no brand on this. I might have to pick it up. See what it does. Well, I guess this is the last of the Caution Cools. Only has 1 and 3 left. These are 14 each. No, yeah, 14 each. Not bad. Good price. All right. 36. 23. 20. Rowdy Party, that's a good one. I believe Backyard Pyro did that one recently. I did it a while ago and I really liked it. So some of these are kind of the same ones they had outside. This looks pretty cool. Like that wrap. Oh, got a big fountain right here. 40 bucks. Wild Card by Black Cat. I love those big 500-gram fountains. Oh, I might have to pick this one up. This one looks really nice. The video on this one looks sweet. Alright. 36. So yeah, guys, they still have a good amount of, still got a little bit of everything, to be honest. They still have a lot of stock. This looks pretty cool, this fountain. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys. Got some goodies.
Awesome. We're all set? Yep, you're set.
Check out this really big fountain. That's 66. That's awesome. Alright, guys. Well, that's about, I mean, there's more things, but that's just the cakes. If you guys are wondering if you guys want to come out, they still have a lot of stock. Yeah, you guys should check them out. What's this right here? United, we win. Huh. All right. I'm sure these are nice. All right. Look at this assortment. 4 cakes, 96. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, guys, there's a ton of new different brands now at the store. Some good stuff. You guys should definitely come check them out. Alright, I think I'm going to wrap it up right there, guys. Again, we're at the Discount Fireworks in Ripon, Wisconsin. They have a ton of product. You guys should definitely come and check them out. Support your local vendors, especially this year with all that stuff that's going on with the shortage. Waylon did his absolute best to get pretty much look at new suppliers to stock up his store, and I think he did a great job. Amazing product. Alright, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be smooth. Chris Molina's out.